video. Today we're going somewhere different. We're going to another family-owned grocery store, and they happen to own their own dairy farm right out back. I was only here once before, and super nice people down in the Bucks County area. We are getting close, so I'm going to do my intro, and I was told to take it back to the farm. They have a big walk-in in one of their barns, so I will turn this back on when we get a little closer. Alright, if memory serves, I think it's right up this road a little bit. I had to stop using my GPS because we're getting close and I wanted to record it. Yep, there it is. So the farm is on the left, which I can't touch the camera, but you'll see it in a minute when I get over there. This is the store. Looks like they're hiring. Nice size little store. Hope you can hear me okay. I got both windows down. Thank you for staying behind the line. Farm is up here on the left. I was only here once before and I brought the straight shot. But they said there's parking lot behind the barn where, because there isn't really room to spin the trailer around, you actually have to go behind the barn and turn around. But he's got a bunch of trailers, so I'm sure it won't be an issue if they do it all the time. I'm sure I can do it. Alright, let's go up this driveway. Definitely asked to see if I can walk around and get some pictures of the cows. I love this time of year. Not only nice weather, but going to places like this. Typically in the winter, we always just go to the market, the same old stop. So it's always cool when I get to go to a new farm or a new stop. This is definitely the time of year that it happens the most. Okay. Somebody's behind me in a pickup truck. It's probably the owner. Here's all the cows. See if I can go in there. He's got a nice KW over there. Yeah, he's got a couple trucks. Stinko. I want to ask him too, and you see these little houses over here, I always see the farms that have the baby cows in there. I don't know why they do that, if it's just to keep them separate or if that's the male cows that they don't want and they sell them for veal. I don't know, but I'm going to find out. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Whoa. Okay. A little snug. Alrighty, I just got unloaded and I talked to the owner. I guess they're brothers that own this place, and he said, feel free to walk around, take some videos, pictures, whatever you want to do. So I pulled out. That's all he asked me was to pull out because he has to put his truck in. So let's do a quick little tour of this farm. Here we go. All right, so that's the way we came in, and you saw everything. I pulled out. That's where all the cows, dairy cows are. We'll go there in a minute. Now, I asked him, I was curious. I always see these little cow houses here. And I asked him if they were for keeping the males separate for veal or because they were small. He said yes to a lot of reasons. He said, oh God, look how small they are. He said cows out west, look how small it is. He said cows out west are ones that are out in the fields do fine. But typically in big farms, he said they end up with lung problems. And it's just easier for them. Uh-oh, we've got some friends over here. They typically just do better if they're isolated for a while. Also, ooh, so once they get a little bigger, they keep them separate. Ugh, a little poopy in there. Hi, look at you, you're friendly. Hi, buddy. Yeah, probably upset being stuck in that little thing. Hi, oh, you're coming out now. Hello. Let's go over to the big barn. Here's their KW. Nice truck. Cows. Hey, 234. 229. They're coming over. Coming over to say hi. Oh, where are you? All right. No, I have nothing to eat. I'm sorry. All right, everyone. That's a quick little walk around of the dairy here. Kind of cool to see the cows. That one big one came over. Guess he thought maybe I had food or something, so it was nice to see that it came over. The little ones were real curious too. Tell you what, Bucks County is a beautiful area. So hey, if you're still here, thanks for watching. I'm glad you came along to check me out at the new dairy farm here. Stay tuned for new ones. Consider like, commenting, subscribe, or don't. Just glad you took time to watch the video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.